multiply strings. So if we are given two numbers, both are strings, and we need to multiply that and get the output as string. So for example 1, number 1 is 2 and number 2 is 3, and the output has to be 2 into 3, 6, and that should be a string too. And example 2 is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Output should be 5, 6, 888. So the thing is, these are large digits. They consist of digits only, and we cannot use integer.parseInt or something, string.value of, and just keep doing in that way. So we need to do digit by digit multiplication. So let's see how we do that. First, if say num1 dot equals zero, or num2 dot equals 0. So either of this is 0, then we have to return a 0, because when you multiply 0 with any number, it's going to give you 0. Either of the two numbers, if they are 0, then you return 0. And then next step would be, let me have n1 equals, so num1 dot length, and int n2 equals num2 dot length. So you have to calculate for int I equals n1 minus 1 to I greater than or equal to 0, and I minus minus. We go step by step down. So we need to iterate over all the digits from left to right, because that's how you multiply, right? You multiply from say number 1, here is 13 into say 15. So I'm going to multiply 5 into 3 first, and then 5 into 1, and then 1 into 3 and 1 into 1. So that's how we go about multiplying. So from left to right, and I need to go over similarly all the digits in the next one also. So int j equals n2 minus 1 to j greater than or equal to 0, j minus minus, and then open close parenthesis. And next what we're going to do is, we need to get all the sorry, I think here there's extra pair of parentheses. So I need to get the digit 1 from the first string and the digit 2 from the first string, which is the leftmost one, right? Like 3 and 5. So int digit 1 equals and digit 2 equals. So num1 dot caret I minus 0 here it will be num2 minus g minus 0. So I have 2 digits now. I need to find out the product. What is product? Digit 1 into digit 2. So I'm going to multiply that, and then I need to have a results array. So I'll create a result array which is new int, and what's the size of that? n1 plus n2. So that's the size. It'll be like a 2 cross 2. So that's the size of this. And so product plus result of I plus g plus 1, that will get stored in result of I plus g plus 1. That will have that, and result of I plus j equals so you found the product, and the sum is nothing but product plus result of I plus j plus 1. So we are adding the carry to this, and then result of I plus j plus 1 would have some percentage 10 modulus 10, and then result of I plus j plus equals sum slash 10. So we've calculated this, and now we need to return the string. So string builder sb equals new string builder, so next I'll create an integer I equals 0, and now I need to remove the leading zeros. So int I less than result dot length and also one more condition, and so result of I equals 0, then I plus plus. Later we're gonna start another for loop where I should be less than result dot length to I plus plus. And here sb dot append, so we're going to append to the string result of I. Once it's all appended, then we are going to return sb dot string So when I click on this, it's accepted. So that's how you go about solving this. So now when I run it, it got accepted. So when you multiply 2 or 3, you get 6. And when I submit the code, it got submitted. So that's how you code multiply 2 strings. I hope this was helpful. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment on what other LeetCode problem you want to see next. Thank you.